What a go, my people, welcome back. I hope all is well. I know it's been a minute, but authentic plant-based eats is back, so let's jump straight to the recipe. I'm gonna start by mashing 4 ripe bananas. Make sure your bananas are ripe. Now after this, I'm going to add all my wet ingredients. A very straightforward recipe, and as always, I will list all the ingredients in the description, so make sure to check that out. I still have some chunks of banana, but that's alright. You can choose to mash this out into a smoother consistency. Here I'm adding some plant milk, cane sugar, olive oil. Now you can use whatever oil that you have on hand, and I'm also going to add some vanilla extract. For the dry ingredients, you will need some all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon. So now that we have the wet and dry ingredients, let's combine the two, and you want to mix this well, but try not to over mix. This is the consistency you want. I'm going to pour this into a greased baking pan and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour and 15 minutes. Exactly 1 hour and 15 minutes later, banana bread up and running. This smells amazing. You want to allow your bread to cool down a bit before you slice it. This banana bread is moist. It has the right amount of sweetness. So good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try and enjoy this recipe. Let me know if you do. And until next time, bless upon yourself.